Hi guys, in this video I am going to explain you experiment 4. In this experiment 4, it consists of 3 questions, I guess 4 questions, 3 questions. So we'll see one by one. So here the question given is develop a Python application using inheritance as per the following. So create a superclass called cache tree which demonstrate any ATM machine having attributes like name, code name, code number, location, etc. And we have to add functionalities like view balance, withdraw and deposit in the superclass. And we have to derive 2 subclasses named as SBI Bank and HDFC Bank with additional properties like customer name, balance and redefine. Now we have to redefine those in the superclass functionalities according to the nature. And here in SBI and HDFC we have to change service charges, interest rate and maximum withdrawal limit. So according to that we have to do the code, guys. So here this is a class, this is a super class called cache tree. Here I have defined self, customer name and code name, location. For that I am calling self dot customer name and self dot code name, self dot location. After that here it was given we have to implement attributes. We have to add functionalities like view balance, withdraw and deposit. So define view balance of self, return self balance and define deposit, and it will ask to enter the amount to be deposited and that one will be added to the balance. Okay, and it will show your deposit is successful. And for withdraw, I'm define withdraw of self and it will ask to enter amount to be withdrawn and it will store in the withdraw. And if the balance is greater than withdraw, balance amount is greater than withdraw, then it will get the cash by adding the service charges. If it is less than withdraw, it will show low balance. After that we have to create some subclasses called SBI and HDFC. In that same I have defined self, customer name, code name, location, balance, service charge limit, and as we have to get the same values that were given here. So I have taken super dot init of customer name, code name, location and self dot balance and I am calling, and self dot service charges and self dot limit. And here same for the HDFC. This is the main class and it will ask welcome to the ATM, choose your bank. It will, we have to type 1 or 2. If we type 1, we will get enter name and it will store in A, and enter code name it will store in B, and it will show account holder name is, and it will ask to type 1, 2, 3 or 4. If we click 1 it will show the balance. If you click 2 it will show the deposit. If we click 3 it will show the withdraw. And same for HDFC Bank, but here the limit and the service charges and the balance is changed. So we'll run the program, we'll see whether it is running or not. Yes, it was connected and it is asking choose your bank. I'll choose SBI. Enter name, enter code number. Yeah, it is asking view balance, deposit or withdraw. I'll see view balance. It is showing the balance. So this is the first program, guys. We will see the second program as well. So second program is also the same, but here we have to create a class called train, super class called train, and we have to give attributes train number, source, name, destination, number of tickets, cost, and we have to add methods like check seat availability, book tickets, And from that superclass we have to derive two subclasses called Chennai Express and Coimbatore Express, and we have to override all the super functions in the derived class. So we'll implement it. So here class train and total number of tickets left is equal to 0. Just I have defined it, and here I have defined self, name, train number, source, destination, number of tickets, cost and train capacity. So here I have called them self dot name, self dot in such a way. After define total cost of self is equal total cost is equal to self cost into self of number of tickets, the number of tickets into the cost. It will return the total cost. Here it will show number of tickets left. So here total number of tickets left is equal to self dot number of tickets. It will show the number of tickets left. And I have this subclass called as Chennai Express derived from the train, and super these are derived from the these are overridden with super method. And if check availability, if the number of tickets is less than or equal to number of tickets left, it will true, else seats are not available. So book tickets, if it will if the check availability is true, then it will book the tickets. Passenger name, I used for loop here. For I and range self dot number of tickets, print enter passenger name. Passenger name is equal to append input. It will take the input. It will ask choose the path. First path is Chennai to Perambur. Second path Perambur to AJJ, and AJJ to Renigunta to Kodur to Rajampet. If it is 1, it will choose the path 1 this. If it is 2, it will choose the path such a way. And after printing, it will show congrats, booking is successful. It will show the train ticket details. It will show the path. It will show the train number, total number of tickets, passenger details, total cost. Same for the Coimbatore Express also. After this is a main class. So here, welcome to the train booking platform. It will ask to choose a train, and if you choose Chennai Express, it will show availability, book tickets. If you choose 2, it will show the number of tickets booked. Just a way for if you choose Coimbatore Express, it will show this. If the user print 1, it will show the availability, and if the user print is 2, it will book. We have to book the ticket. If user chooses 3, it will break. So we'll run the program. We'll see whether it is working or not. It is asking to choose a train. I'll choose Coimbatore Express. Check availability, book ticket, close, book ticket. Number of tickets to be booked. We have to select the path. I'll select party. See, congrats, booking is successful. It is showing the details, the path, type name, passenger names, and cost. So this is the third question, guys. Here we have to create a class worker, and we have to derive 2 classes, daily worker, salary worker. Every worker has a name and salary rate. We have to provide a method competency. So to create a class worker, we have to create a class, we have to create 3 classes named as worker, daily worker, salaried worker, and we have to declare worker as superclass, and we have to derive the daily worker and salaried worker from that. So we have to create a superclass and override method in subclasses to print the results. The amount to be paid weekly for salary and daily, and you have to create the main method to control the code. So this is a superclass occurs. We are a defined name, salary, rate, total hours. This is daily worker derived from workers, and here I have a superclass to override them. Define week pay of daily workers of self, week pay, self load, salary rate into this is a week pay. These salaried workers have defined another class, subclass from workers. These are the same. If a week pay of salaried workers is, if total worker hours is greater than 40, then it has to multiply it with the salary rate. Else this. So this is a main class. If it's US1, it will go to the daily workers. If US2, it will go to the salaried workers. So we'll run the program. Oh, here we have to close this. Sorry guys. Yeah. Daily worker, salary worker. I'll go for salary worker. The name. Any name we can enter. And the number of weeks in a week. Then it is giving the salary as 40,000. Hence, in this video, I have shown you the 3 programs that are used by the application of inheritance. Thank you.